This exercise we're going to do now is called a good morning. And I know it's a very funny name and I can't tell you the reason why it's called a good morning, but all I want you to realize about this exercise is about the posterior chain, which means your butt and your hamstrings. So this exercise is important because if you're sitting a lot, we rarely are, while you're sitting, using your butt and hamstrings. And that's why this is part of your program. You put your hands on your ears, and I want you to pull your elbows back. The way I like to think of it is like, imagine if you're getting arrested, how the position that you'd have to take. I know none of us have gotten arrested. So elbows pulled all the way back, and I'll show you from the side what it looks like. See how I have a big chest? So in the good morning, it's really not about bending over, it's about pushing my butt back to find the wall. So at the bottom of the good morning, do you see how my butt is really pushed back and my knees are slightly bent? What I don't want you to do that, I want you to think butt is going back, my knees just soften, and then to stand up, I'm pushing into my heels to go all the way back to stand, and you're making that pelvis scoop forward so it's an ugly butt, but you see how I'm fully erect? So I'm not like this, at the top I'm like that. You know, one straight line, all the bones and joints stacked on top of each other. So the good morning will look like this from the side. Pulling my elbows back ensures that I have good posture and that I'm not like this. So just think arms are like getting arrested, push the butt back. I'll show you from the front. So the feet are about, hip distance apart, elbows back. I hinge forward, push into my heels to come back to stand. So the only place you should feel this is in your butt and hamstrings. And that is the good morning exercise.